Cooking from a secret sauce range. Secret Sauce Tomato Chicken Curry.
Hi, I'm Natalie from SecretSauce. In this video, I'll be cooking tomato curry. Our tomato curry is mild in spice and therefore is really great for kids. However, there are always some who dislike the flavor of chili. And so along the way, I'll be showing you how to reduce the chili spice in curries. So let's get cooking.
Let's prepare the ingredients as follows. We need 1 jar Secret Sauce tomato curry sauce, naturally aromatic and full of flavor. 400 grams boneless chicken breast or thigh cut into chunks. Plain Greek yogurt or similar for the non-spicy option. On a heated pan, add tomato curry sauce. When heated, add chicken or other meat and mix it in. Chunks of meat are always better to cook in curries as they'll remain more tender. Cover and simmer for 10 minutes. For beef or lamb chunks, simmer on low for up to 2 hours. For thin sliced meats, simmer for only 5 minutes. Ready! It smells fantastic. Serve with rice, noodles, or vegetables.
Now the curry is cooked to its original spice level. There are a few ways to reduce chili spice in curries. I've heard that if you mash bananas and mix it into the curry, it will remove the chili spice from the curry. It probably works, but I've never tried it. I prefer to use additional cream, yogurt, cream cheese, or meat when cooking the curry. But that would change the original taste of the curry. It's actually better that you cook the curry to your preferred level of spice, and then take a separate portion and reduce the chili spice from that separate portion. So here is how I'm going to do it.
Now for the non-spicy option. For the little ones who don't like any chili, leave a small portion and mix in some Greek yogurt. Add 2 tablespoons and bring it to boil. This will reduce any chili spicy taste and the curry will become creamier. A guaranteed family favorite. All done in just 15 minutes. Our secret sauce to a life with more time and flavor.
Well, there you have it. You have a delicious curry for the entire family in just 15 minutes. This curry is so fragrant that whoever you serve it to will absolutely love it. My daughter swears by it. So it is guaranteed that your guest or your family will love eating this curry. So do I. Bon appetit. What are you cooking later?